Down, Donald. Waya soko nuna we no huru nwe. Waya soko nuna we no huru nwe. Weneri bude wenonyo efagare hataga murire. Weneri bude wenonyo na agabagwe berelase. Ewe no wokage wakonga so pe no mi akwaru no kan ya pe na kan awo wo kan te pa owin e bi setting tale papa popo aga so bo wo ko agilele eke ra baga unwe ni nyaun uga yowe wa sele ogbo ma yese o ma gan no ga san wa se ape balaka nu enu ya yodukun oguso dukun wa e balaka fwa ugbojo gbirele uwete nu weriye ugbe no ri eko ugbe no kekode ya sowo nuna we no huru nwe waya sowo nuna we no huru nwe weneri bude wenonyo efagare hataga murire weneri bude wenonyo na agabagwe berelase eba kwaro uta ekole ono webo no rebu yeto emi ega we mi ya wewe uye kwefi no sauna ne nemu no wasioma uye ke na mena bue ma ye ke no mena kawe una miamia amegbo ma yesi na pa fa aga we se no wa oka ke no ga pon me umami onye wesuki ona balawa emu pata mu menwa oga sekwe ori hiui waya sogo nuna we no huru nwe waya sogo nuna we no huru nwe weneri bude wenonyo efagare hataga murire weneri bude wenonyo na agabagwe berelase weneri bude wenonyo efagare hataga murire weneri bude wenonyo na agabagwe berelase
Yes, God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Happy New Month, everyone. It's not easy. They are laughing at me. Somebody is laughing. Yeah, I say Happy New Month. How you all doing? Today is another day. Today is Monday, June 1st, 2020. The month of the Oracle. I'm not going to be long today. I need everyone to share this video as soon as possible. I'm going to go back to the store. What I bought. Give me that mic hang stand. Give it to me right there. Unfortunately, you can see this now. It's still going down. This is new mic. You can see this one is about $100. Just this alone, $100. You can look at it. This is the mic stand. Unfortunately, I have to buy another set that will go on top. So that will cost another. This is really, really heavy. This is for musicians. Look at it. This is Max stand. Eagle Marco. So I have to return this. The speaker is good. The one that I bought is good. It has a mic. I'm using the speaker mic. Then now we have a 3 mic. The one I'm using now and this 3. So put that one back over there. So I have to go back. You know what I'm saying? So Obaseki go year on. He go year on hard. He make it back. Emi ayad na. Na 2 mic out in narrator. 2 microphone. Yeah, why ya na? Hey, Akataka. Let's hold on to this. Let's go straight to the point, brothers and sisters. I thank you all for coming out today. Today's date, once again, is Monday, June 1st, 2020. The fear of President Muhammadu Buhari, Asiwaju Bola Tinubu, aka the Jagaban, and Comrade Ali Oshomole, the father of all comrades, is the beginning of wisdom. Obaseki Lagos saga, we are going to talk about it. As you all know, Mega Comrade Investigator Officer Clement Iranomigo Edegbe stand with Pastor Osage Izeyamo 24/7. No shaking. 24/7. No shaking. So that being said, how is the mic sounding? It's going to be really, really nice. You tell me if it is really, it's clear, very, very good, right? Okay, you see that? Hey, hello, Obaseki, chew, 1, 2, chew. Obaseki, chew. Hey, amigo, Bibiana Guara. Hey, oh, no, for here, oh, Mama, de. Obaseki, the beginning of Obaseki problem, when I told him not to start his governorship with drama. That was 2017. He refused to listen to me. I told him, I said, my brother, you just get to the office. Don't start arresting the 2 people. Do not put your brothers in prison. My brother, he said, no. He's going to rust in jail. He's going to die in jail. Give me 1 second. Let me answer my son quickly. Hold on. Let me a private call. Hold on. Let me a private call. Hold on. Hello? Yeah. Okay, what is it, Bana? Or what for? Give me 1 second. Let me quickly answer this phone. Hello, Waka. Hello. Waka. The basic bridge. Okay. So lower, reduce the base at the back. Okay. Reduce the base at the back. Go. Let's do it. One. Reduce the base at the back. The base, that is the 2 last one. That is the one on your right. Okay, reduce it. Let's try it. 1, 2. No, reduce it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Reduce it. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's right. Obaseki, are you listening? Yes, I think it's better. If it's better now, you all let me know. Just stay right there. Let's see. Is it better? Let's see if it is better. Yeah, good evening. Inogega said things. He said no, it's not better.
No.
Okay. Let's reduce the bass very, very low. Let's see. Yes, is it better now? Huh? Yes, is it better? Wow, what is going on there? On both the channel? Huh? Is it better now? They are saying no. Okay, you know what? Move the speaker towards to this side. Move it this way. Turn it, just turn it around. Yes, I think that should be the problem. Okay. Is it better now? 1, 2. Is it better? Well, we got to test it. Let's see if we could get a response. He said no, it's not better. It's not better. Okay, move it completely. Move it like the other speaker. Move it like the other speaker. Okay, right there, right there. Leave it like that. Is it better now? Okay, somebody say yes. Okay, so go ahead and loud the volume of the mic. Loud it really good. Loud it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Is it better? Can you hear me? A clavasin, or you so, or Yahweh. Nera do we mu wish when wa gbe o yan ogbo mo yo clavasin. Okay, some say it's better. Let's see.
Facebook says better, YouTube says not good.
Let's see if it's better. Just let me know if you can hear me right now. I think it should be good now because this is how the other speaker face this side. Now that one face this way, so I think it should be good. Yes, it's better now. Okay, that's fine. Get out of there. It's better. Lower the
volume.
No, the volume is good. Say the bass. Okay, lower the bass. The bass is too much.
Completely?
Lower the bass. Yeah, let's do it. We gotta do it. Lower the bass.
It's completely low.
It's completely low. Okay. So the bass is completely low. We're not too very bad. Na igu wero uzuo. Fix. Whatever. Igu wero. Wait, ya we marebo. We my we damn me we ya me. Uzuo. Your money dey inside. Are you go where do I? Are you go where do I? Huh? Nina where? You where? 9 people of this speaker. 9 of them have instrument, you know. 9. So I wouldn't why say you why do I make opinion?
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. All right. Now, yeah, you with a quick banner. I'm still gonna go buy more things that I need to put. Your money there inside this material, this equipment. Your money there. Look at him. I know the boy now Basaki people. Is your right? No, very bad, very bad, boy. More time at a very bad, very bad. Your money there, very bad. Come back tomorrow. Put time for time out. Make it go rest. Make go drink Obaseki Kule. You are gone. Idiot. Or Takpa no. Now only one question I ask him. He begins to say very bad, no good, very bad. What is very bad? Huh? What is the meaning of very bad? Is Obaseki not very bad? You see this one, I need to change this pole. You see it's falling down. It's just falling down. So we just have to manage it today. Oh. So, you see, you will push your way. So, my brothers and sisters, no matter that boy. He always just say very bad, very bad, very bad. Like say money there. Money in couple penny. When I say made they raise money more to buy new speaker. You see they go they run. You go see him. It will be 1,000 fewer. Immediately I talk about money, it will just go to 600. Yeah, wow. Pure. Oh show free. Oh show free. Oh show free. Now so they think they sleep without shower when they know they pay. God will not say que bonus. See. People will donate money put. I know them for head. Oh, very. Fred, God bless you. God bless you. I have to go to. Where you are? I don't know what Facebook is. Where? I'll be a magma. Igero. Igo Basaki, where? Work bell. Igo Basaki, where? You may know what. Exactly. Ọba smart. Ọgbẹ oyin náà òun dán ọgbòrìṣà ọmọ ẹ̀ má gbọ̀n. Òun dán ọmọ ẹ̀ má gbọ̀n. Yẹ Congo yẹn ara wẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ dọ́pọ̀ náà dé. Ọgbẹ ẹgbẹ́ dán. Àwà bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ báṣẹ́ wà. Ọba tó báṣẹ́. Bẹ́gbẹ́ wà. Ó yà ẹ̀rábi yẹ àwa he. Wọ́n bọ̀nà bí ẹ̀ tí mo pọ̀ gbé. Ẹ̀rábi yẹ àwa sí ẹ̀ yọ̀ ọ̀hún. So, area. Anywhere that we go, Akataka, Yalavigo, Yagbe. Oh, away why so we don't know who it's a day. This weekend, I want to quickly just show you people something. I want to show you one thing that you people will be shocked of. Yesterday, immediately I got the information that brother Wa, God bless you. Thank you so much. That is the first money of the month. And so God will remember you. You will be number one. That God will remember in blessing and everything this month. See ya. First, number one. He is the number one. He is the first PFM member. First PFM YouTube member. God bless you. Happy New Month, everyone. See, I want to start this month with good blessing. I don't want anybody to bring a setback to me. I want to start this month with blessing. Blessing or any of his weapon, that blessing go reach on your hand in Jesus' mighty name. As you give, so shall you receive. I'm not a pastor. So let me quickly show you what I am talking about. You know what I'm saying? God bless you. Richard Obamoyi. I love that name. It's a cool. See, Richard Obamoyi. Facebook, more than just the watch. More than see that there. I don't get the one a day. You see, Richard Obamoyi. Yeah. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. We don't reach you. I said June. We don't reach June. Now June we do. We don't reach June. Today not June. We don't reach June. Now June we do. Remain 21 days. Make up Basaki power. Bakara. Oh, I said June. Ulariye na so wrong. He go he need don't pay. He not go pay because now so they bend down when they hit him. Boy from back. Gay governor. From the Lagos, he can't go. Jagapa, can't go. We'll go talk on today. Let me first of all show you what I want to show you. Peter Samson, I acknowledge. God bless you from Houston, Texas. Peter Samson from Houston. God bless you. As Mega Comrade is about to show you something, I want you all to be patient. Let me quickly just scan it. I hope it will still show. Okay. 10 hours. Okay. 10 hours ago. Okay. Let me scan it. Let me go to the evidence. Let me go there. Let's go there. I want to quickly review something to you people. Those of you that follow terrorists about Emite Obaze, I want you people to see. I just scanned this thing, two of them. I just scanned it. This is a picture. Immediately, Obaseki left Jagaban house with 7 governors. So we got information. I went ahead. I posted it on my Facebook. Terrorist Abatobaze is getting his information from my Facebook, People's Freedom Movement. Every time I've been monitoring him. Whenever I ask my admins to be monitoring him, whenever I post information there, he will just pick it, he will change it, he will put it on his platform. You can see yesterday, you will see this useless crack thing, 9 hours, that he posted this picture. You see it? 9 hours ago. Look at the picture. Okay. This is People's Freedom Movement page. Look at when it was posted. 10 hours ago. You see, 10 hours ago. This 10 hours ago, I posted it. But he posted it 9 hours ago. My own is about 10 hours, 30 minutes. And many other things like that. When somebody come in and say, Mega Comrade, how did this boy just go there and paste your picture, whatever I did, and just save it and go post on his page? I said, I'm tired of working for him to be collecting. There's one video that I brought out. I was the only one that have that video. Immediately I put it out. This boy caught it. So, when you are doing something like that, you become a copy platform. He said he's the one close to the governor. How come now PFM they get information? Where in they go put for your own page? I sleep. We have 6 hours different. Right now, it should be, what time is it in Nigeria right now? If you are watching, just like we have 1,000 plus right now, we have 1,000 plus watching, we have 700 plus on YouTube, 300 plus on Facebook. Like this 1,000 people now. Okay, you know what? Let me. What time is it in Nigeria? And what time is it in Europe right now? There's something that I want to show you. We are 4:11 p.m. over here. Okay, that is 6 hours. You can imagine. Before I wake up, I go to sleep. They are 6 hours ahead of Dallas, Texas, Chicago, Texas time. How come he didn't get the information? They have to wait for me to wake up and post it online before he will pick. That is not fair. All this thing that is doing, this whatever YouTube and the rest that is building is now Oko prison go operate. Oko prison. After Oko na Congo he go. Terrorist Abatobaze straight to Oko prison. I just want him to know that this is not the same. A case. If they may they break my head for Italy, may they kill me for Germany, may they kill me for Washington. The case when I go put for here there. Or is a guezo, or is a guezo, or is a guezo, or is a guezo. I want to work how they don't say me small picking not get anyhow title. Provide them make it get lips where go take cover up. Oh me akwaru no, me ata no ya go. Ya Allah ne. Iyamal levedoni. E case idoro ejimi. When I have Italy, Kemodu work boy, Only a quiet boy, we don't want to see that model work, but we be like goat when we go swallow starch water. Model work boy. So that aside. Let me quickly explain something to you. That is the most reason when I came online. That I came online today. Obaseki propaganda machine are going around lying on Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Jagaban. Did you see how I'm laughing? If you can recall, if you can count how many times Obaseki have visited Lagos after he said his second tenure is not negotiable, that he deserves it. He do this, he do that, he do that. Obaseki is now performing oracle in Lagos. Akataka, Iranobigo. I heard they are threatening. They say whenever I come to Nigeria, they're going to do that, they're going to do this. That I've heard everything they have said about me. Me, I don't fight. I don't have power. FBI is my power. Police, law enforcement agency are my power. No problem. There, this boy, they call Osage in Lagos Street. The weapon distributor. He sent me a message. Osage. I got it anywhere by it. I got it anywhere by it. Eranomigo. Or Imanoro, he boom. I got it anywhere by it. Or FBI Ule. Onina River. So, this is what happened. Oba went to Lagos with seven governors. Total governor that went there to go and beg. He went to go and beg Jagaban. After he tried all Obas, he tried everywhere. You could ask yourself, what is the reason why Obaseki is not begging Edo elite, Edo traditional ruler, Edo state fathers, mothers? Why is it that Obaseki is always going to Lagos? You should ask yourself that question. When he arrived there, he told Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he told him he came to beg him, he should help him beg Comrade Adamali Oshomole, that he have offended him, that Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they said he asked him, what do you want me to do for you? He said he don't want to be primary, he want to have a concession ticket. According to them, they said, leader Bola Ahmed Tinubu asked him, did you say you want a concession ticket? Obaseki said yes. He said, okay, you want APC to issue a concession ticket. Concession. So that they will just be, we will only, concession, you know how people will just say, unanimous decision, so you can have his ticket, concession ticket. So, let me go back. Akataka, concession ticket. Kataka. Hold on. Obaseki. So then after that, Bola Ahmed Tinubu now asked him, how many of you people are aspirant for under PDP? He named it. Allegedly, they said he told him, okay. He said, but the major person that is his problem is Pastor Osage Izeyamo. Leader now asked him, Pastor Osage Izeyamo, why? He said, because comrade, I brigand, blah, 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 blah. The leader now asked him and said, so Edo people support you? He said, yes. It's okay. If Edo people support you, go and do direct primary. So that Edo people will come and vote. Hence they support you. He said, no. He just want a concession ticket. He just want them to. Now that one's okay. Go and meet all the aspirants. Tell them to gather around you. Then you come and meet your the leader in Abuja and tell them that they have already accepted you, that you are the one they're going to present. Or if they now come back and present another person, there will be no primary. Do you agree in that? They say Obaseki, he met for chair. I'm not there now. Wait till they tell me you. Say Obaseki met for chair. All of them, they put in and one. That was okay. As you say, you don't want primary. That means Pastor Sage say, Yamuna, I go get concession ticket. You say, me they not do primary at all. You say COVID-19. So there's no need of primary. They say that they Obaseki shooting leg. Because he called the jump from one corner to another. Now, Bola Tinubu say, not being go talk and I do people. So if all the whole aspirants gather and support one person, then only you do one side. That means now that person I go be the ticket bearer. Obaseki can rush. There's a reason why he go collect ticket for what did they call her? Honorable Saturday. Oh, sorry. Matthew Doekeme. Allegedly, we are hearing that he want to give us Agbovo you. He want to go and buy another ticket. Okay, wait. Hold on. Let somebody correct this information. Hello. Yeah, Alhaji, give me 1 second. Let me connect it, please. God bless you. Yeah. Let me connect this speaker. See, I was expecting Alhaji call. I say, why you never call me now? Make it. Alhaji, you can call now. Let's listen to Alhaji before I finish my informant story. Pastor Sage say Yamu is the next governor. It's over. Obaseki, he went to go and destroy himself in Lagos. Now they rush. Come the la for social media. Wait. Let me call. Okay, I think he's trying to call me. Let me call you so that we call it on video so that people cannot be able to intercept the call. Okay. Alhaji, hold on. Let me call you. You just hold on. Let me call you. Okay, let me answer you. Hello.
Hello, my friend.
Alhaji.
How are you doing? I was so busy.
I know.
That's why. Yeah.
I was waiting. I gathered some I gathered some information, but I want you to tell me what happened in Lagos.
Okay.
Huh?
Leave all those propaganda. They don't tell. I don't tell you since. Your governor is not going. That what did they call him?
Obaseki.
He was just driving outside, but he was begging like a baby.
Oh.
And that is my annoyance with that man. He doesn't know how to do politics. He was lying to people. Went to Buhari, go and show Buhari ticket. Is that Buhari asked you that you are the next governor? Obaseki is not going anywhere. Okay, I just breaking news. Obaseki is coming down from Spain. Do you believe that?
Yes, because I already heard it.
Obaseki, your governor, we can sleep, is coming down from Spain.
Oh, we can sleep. Oh, you want to go back to sleep.
You understand what I'm saying?
I'm hearing Alhaji. Go ahead.
So just leave all those propaganda. They were drinking beer. They were making noise. Eze Yamu is the governor.
Bah.
They're just lying to people. You know, so many of your people, they don't reason very well. They'll be looking at politics game like they want to buy my. I said your governor, we can sleep, is coming to Lagos to sell amala for us. They should not dress themselves. That's not their governor. Eze Yamu is your governor.
Bam. Hey, I know. God bless you, Alhaji. God bless you.
Let the guy be lying to everybody.
He can lie.
Eze Yamu is your governor.
Okay.
He has already known. They told him, they came like 3 governors, 4 governors. They told him he has to go direct primary. Why is he running? Why is he fear of Eze Yamu? They mentioned Eze Yamu here, told him that, what about Eze Yamu? He said he's going to conquer Eze Yamu. They can go outside the
direct primary
now.
Okay.
So just lying to people. Leave up.
My brother, I tell you.
To be the easiest election. Like they went to Anabala.
Ewedu Abala. Alhaji, I go eat that Ewedu Abala.
I'm on the bed now, I'm telling you this.
The great.
I call you because I'm tired.
I know.
This.
God bless you, Alhaji.
But this, your wake and sleep governor is not going anywhere. He has already known.
Okay. My good Alhaji friend.
See how he's going to torment a lot of people now.
Mm-hmm.
He's not going anywhere.
Okay.
They don't tell him for up, they don't tell him for down.
Ah!
How you go find Iroko 3?
Hey.
You go say you go reach your mama house. Anybody wey throw stone for Iroko 3, if you dey go out, they look your back now. Show about the Iroko 3 of those states.
Correct.
Anybody that can't say rubbish about Sean Wale, you should look at politics is all about you want to buy rice now.
Okay.
Propaganda everywhere. That stupid boy was. Let me tell you one thing. That boy is included of the day among the people who kill
Obaseki.
We can keep the governor. That
stupid terrorist Abat. Now he kill him. If not,
you say Edo is not Lagos. And your guy he died for Lagos. Your guy, you really small like the wash toilet for Tinubu.
Okay. May I tell you something, Alhaji? You know what I do yesterday?
Yeah.
He get one boy.
Yeah.
He can't cut one of his video when he saw Tinubu. As they cut him, they just said that to me. I said to it don't reach Tinubu. I said that to one person. That person can't send that to Tinubu. I said, see, as Obaseki people, they insult you anyhow. You see, huh?
Leave that guy. You know, all those people, they're beyond Papa. Tinubu na Iroko 3. Osama na Iroko 3.
Jagaba.
Buhari na Iroko 3. They know where they are going.
My brother.
Let him they do Maradona thing what they do.
Mm-hmm. God bless you, Alhaji.
You remember the talk say, Ojo, Loluwere Payo. He said, not the day that you throw stone on Iroko 3, it will kill you.
Okay.
When you reach your house, you go see how you go to shoot like Malu.
Okay. Okay.
You understand me?
Yes.
So it just they make money. Your people don't know now. I don't know why people they don't talk to themselves. They don't know the thing where they happen.
Okay.
Spending now they will come out. You know best way who they put ahead of that spending.
Governor Senator Hope Uzodinma. Hey.
So what do they talk about that? What do they play about that? That's the way the problems are not hear the language very well. That is the way the guy the measure that on give us the music, leave us this, don't tell yourself.
Okay, Unado Yela.
I'll call you later.
God bless you, Alhaji. Oh, where are they go?
It's Mr. OJ on the beat.
It's nice and cute. I'm OJ. I don't know you, but I didn't see your walk, oh, it is with me. You don't say when we dey suffer, we don't offend them.
You hear that?
We go to school, we don't got.
You hear the music? You hear that? How many people they hear now? Mona share this video. Mona try. Mona share that. 900, 1,003. Facebook, YouTube. Mona share that. Make una share the video. You hear that? So that means my informant was 99.9% right. There, Oga Jagaban can't tell Obaseki, say, make you go to direct primary. That if he did not participate in primary, that's it. Now, Pastor Sagi say Yamu. That's it. That was the end. They say he begin to kneel down. You know, say they speak Yoruba past Benin. They see, they speak every Yoruba. And then, Jagaban say, So I was shocked when people were not calling me, they asked me question. Ipa, na true say Jagaban say, but now I know say Jagaban get power. When I did tell you now, I not believe her. When I did tell you now. When Obaseki they take out the hit in chest, you don't know say Jagaban did there. You don't know say Comrade Adamali Oshomule did there. You don't know. Is it now that you know that Jagaban, a man that work in Lagos State and brought somebody else, and that one do continuity? The same thing when Comrade Adamali Oshomole do for Benin. Continuity, Obaseki can't come. He can't abandon every project. Instead of Obaseki to continue for where Comrade Adamali Oshomole stop, he said, "Na lie." He want to build a Aro legacy. Aro legacy when they take carry our Oba to Calabar. Uvorame. You can imagine. Many people, more can share this video. Nobody should even send me a message. Don't even try to ask me. Say, now so you hear. If you hear for that useless boy platform. That authentic platform. Anything you hear here is 99.9% accurate. You heard me? So they don't know how to tell their supporters. Let me quickly remind you how much money Obaseki have spent in collecting tickets. He's confused. Godwin Obaseki is a confused man. If Obaseki give nomination form to Osagbovo Iyua, Osagbovo Iyua could not even win for Federal House of Representatives. Now Ogbede Yama, he just beat her anyhow. Osagbovo Iyua, Ogbede Yama onagbe yeke. Even Deco, Dennis, that one even manage win of here. Osagbovo Iyua, if you carry governor put for your head, he go throw him. Almost o boy go me omo efo ya we la wa ya organize na ya gboma na ya miss again ya wa go his story come dey reach me now with me. Hey, I don't know so this guy be you. Well, na still my do brother. See, so if Obaseki go give us Agbowo your nomination ticket, it will not be 65 million that Obaseki has spent in just nomination form. 65 million. My do people make una ask her. Where is that money coming from? Can that money not build a Kiosa market? It will be 65 million just for the form alone. Knowing fully well that you have lost. We are in June, July, August, September. 4 months. 4 months, even 3 months plus to election. 3 months election on September 19. 3 months plus. Not even up to 4 months. So, what is Obaseki doing? So, the game is over. Ofone. Pastor Osage Yamu is the next governor of Edo State. Really tired. It also have a pass yo. It tired and tired. I tell you now. I told the people. Mega Comrade was the first person inside the APC platform that come out publicly and endorsed Pastor Sage Zeyamu. Most one. When I started, I came out publicly and said, I'm endorsing Pastor Sage Zeyamu. People thought I was, they said, hey, they were laughing at me. They were telling me, if Pastor not come out there and say, my enemy go suffer. I said, I don't care. Now waiting God, my heart told me. So let's leave it. At the end of the day today, they even removed me one time because I post Pastor Sage Yamu video where Kabaka see when he say Kabaka can't come and say na Pastor Sage, I go post the video there. They say, why Ranomigo now 48 hours? So he never reached Never reach 24 hours. Now they quick. I was watching them. They quick go reinstate. And person when remove her, at the watch her. At the watch her where the time go come when we go braga die political career. Time they come. I know we talk here. Time they come. Akataka. We go braga die political career. Akuwabo. Today now, person when they punish me for. Baba Osho, you be father. Osho, 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 Osho Baba, Osho, 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 Osho Baba. I will all hang a walk on guy. So one me akwara no ya gwe. O baseki you too much. Eh? Who is God doing Obaseki fighting for? Who is he fighting for? That is the question. Who is he fighting for? God bless you, Ogwaligo one of New Zealand. Now see, may God Almighty bless your month for you as you bless it the beginning of this month. You see, Ogwaligo one. See, I have a God who never fails. I have a God who never fails. I have a miraculous Bible who never fails, who never fails, who never fails forevermore. An amigo of the Bible name of my butter. Oh, an amigo of the Bible name of my butter. Of the Bible, I can say wano, wano, forevermore. Anything I tell this Bible, now they do. This miraculous red Bible. Anything I tell her, God bless you, Benjamin, Ogenero. God bless you. I really appreciate it. May God of June remember you. God of 1st June will remember you. You will be among of those that will receive the first blessing of this June in Jesus' mighty name. As you support People Freedom Movement broadcast, so God Almighty will support you in Jesus' name. If you pay your electricity last month, you did not pay this month, they will cut it. Not be so. If you pay your mortgage, you pay your goddamn mortgage last, and you did not pay your mortgage this month, they will throw your goddamn bag out of the fucking house like a damn sack of potato. You know what I'm saying? So, if you are a PFA, you chop last month. Did you not chop? Are you not going to chop? Not so. Not be so. Area. Akataka. So, who is going to screen those state primary or form? Those that collected form, who is going to screen them? We don't know who wants to screen them. Make a talk on. Make a show like the picture. Not be talk what talk. Make a show like the picture. See there they work out. That's all the governor will follow her. Because see how they work the work of shame for Lagos. But see there they work like zombie. See people will follow her call. All these governors, they know say they are there Laloba. They are there Laloba. They are re-election. La Dare probably. They fight for their whole life. Obaseki la bad luck. Bad luck now staying. When go stay now red oil when anybody no want make it. He don't put oil for all this governor body. Obaseki movie body agbele see ya. He don't put oil. You see there? You don't see how they waka. They call it waka. They come out like a mala where come from Niger Republic. In Yemakena, they call they deceive other people. I just they laugh. I say, why many people they quick they react to negative, they react to lie. And amigo they tell you now since almost 3 years, going to 4 years, that this is how life is going to be. Una no listen, my lovely sister. Give to Yori. May the blessing of this month, first day of the month, reach your household in Jesus' mighty name. Iyore, aye ware o horara wak me yore yewa. No we a gift in yore. A gift in yore. Aye ware from UK. God of June, we bless your household in Jesus' mighty name. I want everybody to tap amen in there. That is on that one. So let's go to the next one. Evil, make her quiet. See ya. Showdown, Obachoki. Honorable Imo State Governor Senator Hope Uzodinma to head APC screening committee in Edo State, Akataka. Honorable Governor Senator Hope Uzodinma. Hope Uzodinma Nemo. Make you come rescue the people. Make you come help us send Obaseki to Lagos. Hope Uzodinma. Una remember when Adamale Oshomole carry Bible. Say, oh Lord, Ameche. I can't wait to see comrade on campaigning. I cannot wait to see comrade the campaign for Pastor Sage Zeyamu. He go stand. I go say Baba na Baba. I go give him good hug, everyone. Oh, Baba, God go bless you. You be mine. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. As Comrade Adamale Oshomole say, oh Lord, Hope Uzodinma, now he go be the last governor of Imo State. Obaseki say na lie. Who can be the governor of Imo State? Not be Hope Uzodinma. But he writes, so people here local. Obaseki nye. You see her? Hey, my lovely daughter, Franca Ohehe, God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for your support. May you receive the blessing of this month in Jesus' mighty name. God bless you. DJ General. May God Almighty give you the blessing of this month in Jesus' mighty name. Your €2. Yawa feel yo. Ya play your toy. You to wait you €1. Maybe you okay. I call guy, Agba guy, I done it Boshi Mary. You chop, I chop. Nobody the quarter put. Only me go eat. Is the beginning and the downfall of a man. Only me go eat. This sweetie Corolla. God bless you. God bless you. I really appreciate it. May God Almighty remember you. In Jesus' mighty name. God of June, we bless your household. Anyone, we have 800 plus now watching on YouTube. This 800 plus, you see, are people that is receiving this June blessing. It never is 10. You see, this miracle Bible, this Bible, after Pastor enter office, I go carry this Bible. We go use it. I will take her and go bless other Bible. I'll say, make them go open church. Now go see miracle. Yeah, one more kind. We go pray put. Recharge about you. God bless you. God bless you. You will receive the blessing of this month in Jesus' mighty name. Don't Psalm 1. Don't Psalm 1. God bless you. See, that they take money, they say game over. You see, game over. Facebook, may I show now. See how they do it for YouTube. See, now money they take the right game over. You see, in an Amigo special. You see, €3, €2. I make game over. And Wawayera. Now just did the. Now just did. Now they feel press like. Now we just did the Pumu. People like now they had to pregnant woman. Men when they do. Woman when they watch for them. Sometimes now so now we just touch like picking up of theater. Even to hit baka just they hit like see another one. He don't come. Bright Obase of UK. See number 1. Now number 1 you go carry this month in Jesus' mighty name. They will give you more hours. Money will come to you in Jesus' mighty name. Where you did not even expect money. Oh, what yo. Oh, Fuegbe, oh, I'm a boy, I know how I go, Ukina. If you need more children, now so your wife will get pregnant. You go impregnate your wife this month in Jesus' mighty name. Richard, now the same prayer I pray for you. Una go get time to take born many children. You know, say me, I love children. I worry your tay. Huh? Yeah. Akataka. Wherefore, I'm a hegagbe. Mama, you wherefore, Abaseki, oh, have you both? Yeah, Kayo, Waki, ye one, Yabati, eat boy, Abati, what here? Talk back, I was Swari Congo. Talk buddy. Now that talk. See, they don't frozen. See, this is their problem. I will know your one. Una don't lose. Make una just let me the ride my ride. Terrorists are battle. Percy call me, he say, pa, he say, he dream. I say, what it be your dream? He say, pa, in your the pity about they say, you can't lead down the beg it amigo. I say, I lie. You know, we won't issue a day. Not to talk of say, he want lead down. A Congo, you know, rich we are now Congo, a Congo. Now Congo is going to Congo. He don't offend too many people. For his own stomach infrastructure, only for his belly. I offend people because of the innocent poor citizen. If you have been watching Comrade Tony Kabaka lately, have you heard how many times Comrade Tony Kabaka is talking about how two people died in Libya? Don't you see it? I told you. I said Tony is now fighting for the poor. How many of you have heard it? Tony is now preaching what I was preaching. Is that not? Who Abba they fight for? Who Obaseki they fight for? Pastor Sage Zeyamu they fight for the poor. Osho Baba they fight for the poor. Jagaban they fight for the poor. Muhammad Buhari they support the poor for Edo State now. Who these people they fight for? Sagbo you are who they fight for each other. They are interrupting my Facebook, guys. If you are on Facebook, I urge you to come and meet me on YouTube. We are going to cut Facebook off. The interference is too much. They are striking my viewer on Facebook, so we are going to cut the Facebook off. They are striking and it's just freezing. If you do one more time, we cut it. You come and meet us on YouTube. Okay? So, my people, you can see Comrade Tony Kabaka. He have released another single. How many of you hear about the single? He don't release another. This one, eh? Now, what do they call her? Chaka demo. Chaka. Abi. Now, Jamaica. Now, Tony Congo, he paused the music. Jamaica. Tony Kabaka. Jamaica, now he can't go. He to say, I go fit play that beating for you. I for play, I know if you play because of YouTube. Tony, don't go to my Facebook, go listen to her. As I wake up, I see the music. Yeah, I say, Tony, he don't release another one. Come on. This Tony, la pepe de. Kabaka pepe de mo. Pepe de. Kabaka pepe de mo. Pepe de. Kabaka pepe de mo. Pepe de. But what do you want us to do again? You say if like the house you want on the show, when you don't go on phone or go me, you know I'm wearing. Obiere osofa na ori oyane e no ro o mi bo yare e oyano oyaro ina eri mi awe mi bo be yare e oyane me. You hear me? God of freedom, go free us from the hands of evil God may Obaseki in Jesus' mighty name. You hear me? Let me tell the Facebook guys, I want you all to come to YouTube. If you're on Facebook, I need you to come to YouTube right now. You know? Come to YouTube. If you're on Facebook, Pastor Osage Izeyamo. is the next governor of Edo State. Do not let anyone deceive you. It's over. You hear me? Come and meet us in YouTube.
Comrades, there are no mirror, no yet degwe.
I say, come and meet
Ni
us.
vesi no nyi, we boya fefe. Baba, if you power with you, I want to tell you here. If you see no ni baba wa here, if you power with you, wa o mi ya o, ma we o mi ya o. We say baba.
I fear what meet us in YouTube.
Taking over everywhere.
God bless you. Meet us in YouTube. Pastor Simon is there.
For the people. Pastor Simon is there.
Come to YouTube.
Accessible. Experience the cycle. Is there. Capable of cycle. Is there. Make we follow Buddha Road. I don't make we follow my way, Sabia. Make we follow the light. Is I am experience the cycle. Is I am capable of cycle. One for the youth.